In this video tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use the Route Data Input dialog in SIDRA Intersection 7. For demonstration purposes, we'll use a network with routes already defined in the Route Configuration dialog under the Route tab. Let's select a route and view its layout picture first before we proceed. Click Route Data in the Route Input section to open the dialog for the selected route. The Route Data dialog includes the Route Data and Route Summary and Displays groups. The route name, route ID, and route title are useful for input and output purposes. In the multi-line route title field, you can enter more details about this route. The information entered in this field will appear in the output reports and displays, along with route ID and route name. The route level of service method, desired speed, and lower limit of speed efficiency parameters are very similar to the parameters that appear in the Network Data dialog under the Network tab. When a new route is configured, these three parameters are set to the values specified in the current network to which the route belongs. You can change them as you wish, for example, to specify a larger desired speed for a major arterial. When a new route is created using the reverse function, these three parameters of the new route will be set to those in the original. Three options are available for route level of service method. SIDRA speed efficiency is the default method for all software setups except the US HCM setups. Desired speed is an important parameter used in the calculation of the speed efficiency, travel time index, congestion coefficient, and route level of service. For this parameter, the input option is used as default with a value, which is the same as the default value of the approach cruise speed parameter given in the Vehicle Movement Data dialog under the Site tab. The program option for desired speed uses a flow-weighted average of approach cruise speed values of movements on the route. The lower limit of speed efficiency is a parameter used in the calculation of the travel time index. After selecting the desired parameters, the quick input function can be used to set the same parameters for all routes easily. Note that the other parameters included in the Network Data dialog, but not in the Route Data dialog, apply to all routes that belong to the network. The Route Summary and Displays group lists the route output options that will define the contents of the route summary report, route displays, and lane displays. When the Movements option is chosen as the route output option, the results for one movement per approach by all movement classes on the selected route will be included as shown in the route layout picture. When the Approaches option is selected, the results of all movements on each approach on the selected route will be included. When the Sites option is selected, the results of all movements on all approaches of each site on the selected route will be included. The Approaches and Sites route output options listed in this dialog are the same options available in the Network Routes dialog used to set up the contents of the Network Summary Report, Network Displays, and Lane Displays when By Routes output option is selected rather than the whole network as demonstrated in the Network Routes Input dialog video tutorial. The OK and Apply buttons in this dialog will be sufficient to set the contents of the route output reports and displays if the network has already been processed. There is no need to process the network again. This concludes our tutorial on Route Data Input dialog. Please refer to the user guide and the other tutorials to learn more about routes and other aspects of network modeling in SIDRA Intersection 7.